In this video, we will compare Trading 212 versus Etoro versus FreeTrade. Trading 212 is a commission-free platform popular in Europe, offering access to a wide range of global stocks, ETFs and fractional shares. It has an intuitive app ideal for many beginners and features such as Pi investing tools for portfolio automation. There is also no minimum deposit for the investment account, so users can trade CDFs on a separate account. However, while it's great for beginners, its research tools are lacking and charting capabilities are very basic for advanced traders. CFD trading carries high risk and can be very confusing due to its leverage. Also, customer service can be slow and there's limited access to advanced order types or in-depth analysis. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to copy trades of experienced investors, making it ideal for beginners who want to learn by following others. It supports stock, ETF, crypto and CFD trading, all in one user-friendly platform. Its social feed and copy trade tools are unique in the industry. However, Etoro charges a spread rather than a flat commission fee, which can lead to higher trading costs. It also charges a withdrawal and an active fee. The platform is less suitable for advanced technical analyst or fast execution trading, and ownership assets like crypto, which may be through CFDs in some jurisdictions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. FreeTrade is a UK-based investment platform designed with simplicity and long-term investing in mind. It offers commission-free trading on UK and US stocks and ETFs, making it a great option for many beginners and passive traders. One of the strongest features is the availability of tax advantages, including stocks and shares ISA, and self-invested personal pensions, which are essential for long-term UK investors looking to grow wealth efficiently. FreeTrade also supports fractional shares, allowing users to invest in expensive stocks even with a small amount of capital. Its mobile app is minimalist and easy to navigate, making investing easily accessible. However, despite its strengths, FreeTrade is limited to the scope of comparing to more full-featured books. Its investing universe is relatively small, especially when it comes to non-UK markets or more niche securities. Advanced traders may be frustrated by the lack of real-time market data, complex order data types like stop loss or limited orders, or in-depth research tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.